This is an impromptu video that we made the other day. We were out in the woods photographing our olive toothbrush sticks, which are normally used by humans, but we have found that dogs take to them as well. So this is the first time we've met these dogs. It's the first time they've encountered an olive stick, and you can see how readily they take to it. And eventually these dogs will be able to hold the stick themselves, be given the stick just for a minute or so. They'll lay down, clean their own teeth, drop the stick, and the owner can pick it up, wash it, and save it for the next day.
Lay down with it, and they'll hold it between their paws. Good dog. Oh, see, that's really good. That's really good. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. You're a good girl. You like that, didn't you? Come on. Oh, you like that too. You both like it. Yeah. So eventually they'll be able to hold it themselves.
Yeah, but they have dentist sticks, those the green ones, you know, and they sit and chew those. But, it's something natural.
It's fun, isn't it? Oh, these are lovely little dogs. I love this. Is this a Jack Russell?
He's a miniature Jack Russell.
Oh, I didn't know you could get them. Oh, you like that, don't you?
He's a pure.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, what's
You
this?
also notice he's got one limb missing.
No, I hadn't noticed.
Yeah, he's got.
Oh, yeah.
He's a tripod.
Oh, and is this a Chihuahua?
It's a chug, Chihuahua pug cross.
Oh, it's
with
beautiful.
a couple of other bits thrown in.
You can have a go.
We've got two types of tree-based dental sticks, the olive sticks and the miswak sticks, and you can find them online on naturalspasupplies.co.uk.